Draw an A4 size rectangle. Change the size, keeping the lock ratio open. Press P to align it to center of page. Select Ellipse tool, hold Ctrl, and draw a circle. Hold Shift and increase size. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl-R to repeat. Create a copy and increase size. Create again 2 copies. Select these objects, press L for left alignment. Move towards right using right arrow key. Select Freehand tool and draw a line from center of circle. Hold Ctrl and rotate from bottom to top. Press right-click to create a copy. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Weld these objects. Delete these lines. Select this black object, click on Contour, Contour outside, about 4 mm offset, 1 step. Break, contour group apart. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete this object. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete these objects. Change color of these objects. Weld both these objects and change color using Interactive Fill tool. Change color. Fill white color to this circle. Right-click on Image, Powerclip inside. Click on Circle to Powerclip. Click on Object to edit Powerclip content. Adjust an image. Click outside to close Powerclip window. Remove outline of circle. Apply drop shadow to this white object, or create inner shadow to the circle if inner shadow option is available. Adjust opacity and feather. Right-click, break drop shadow. Shift page down to send it back. Then power clip it inside the circle. Power clip the circle inside the background. Remove outline of all objects. Ungroup and fill white color to the background. Apply drop shadow.